Elab is making some major moves, but is this enough to catapult the stock all the way upwards of the $4 levels again, or are you stuck in Elab? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another no BS non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're going to be discussing Elab under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to go ahead and assign a ranking to the catalyst that caused the stock to run in the first place. The what, we're going to be doing a stock analysis, going over the company's earnings, financials, short interest, all the goodies. The where, I'm going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. When it comes to the why do we talk about the why first? Because in order to anticipate the strength of the catalyst, or rather the strength of the move, we first need to analyze the strength of the catalyst, right? For example, ticker PM, Elab today, right? The news that they had, we'll talk about the news, right? We'll talk about the news, and then I'll compare them to another company that had some massive news that actually is exciting and it gets people going, and the stock is also going crazy as well, right? And there was much more longevity to that news, right? Which causes a lot of FOMO in people, okay? Because at the end of the day, this is what you need to understand about understanding news, is that the stocks go up because people press buy, the stocks come down because people press sell. And we want to know whether or not the catalyst that the company has dropped is emotionally enticing enough for people to go out and press the buy button and lead with FOMO, or is it just something that the FOMO is only baked into the stock price, and the stock goes up, they buy, the stock comes down, they sell faster than everyone else, okay? So let's get reading. So it says that the company announced that they're going to go ahead and try to acquire a US-based cash flow positive electronics contract manufacturing company with over 40 years of operational history. So established in the 1980s, the Target company, Target is, wow, they're buying Target, I'm joking, not that Target, is a full service provider of a high precision electronic manufacturing and assembly service with core capabilities including electronical and mechanical assembly, printed circuit card assembly and functional testing and electronic component testing. The Target serves a range of commercial and industrial clients. It also supports small batch production and prototyping, offers both consignment and turnkey solutions. The Target generated approximately 690 in revenue, 173 in adjusted EBITDA in 2024. Okay, so the company brought in $173 million in is this thousand? This is thousand, right? I'm tripping. 170 in 2024. What the fuck? This is a little ass company. So they brought in 170K, 175K in profits in 2024. Okay. I mean, this doesn't make sense then. Target generated approximately six. I think these should be flipped. I think they meant 699 in EBITDA and 173,000 in revenue. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting it backwards. But anyways, regardless, they're going ahead and they're acquiring this company. Now, how are they? What is their means of acquisition? Let's see if it says anywhere. Okay, this acquisition comes at a time. Okay, we don't care. Okay, so nothing. All right. Well, what's gonna happen here, guys? And this is what you need to understand about acquisitions, right? Is the company that's getting acquired is always winning in the short term. Okay, so they're going to be paying a premium. Elab is going to be paying a premium for Target, the Target company. They are, right? Because that's how investing works. That's how an investment works. The only reason why the board would go ahead and actually say, okay, we're okay with being bought out, is because they believe that they're getting paid a premium for their company. So in the short term, it's not that good of a catalyst. All right, so let's go ahead and let's rank this real quick. Breaking news, we're going to put it as okay. Stock volatility, we're going to put it as amazing. Again, Elab is an extremely volatile stock with a market cap of only $3.6 million. Next thing we're going to talk about will be their cash. Okay, so the numbers I'm about to show you guys is based off of their most recent SEC filings. I did not make up these numbers. The company right now has a total cash and cash equivalents of $5.5 million, and their operating expense is $1.35 million, meaning every 3 months they're burning $1.35 million. Months worth of cash left, 12.2 million, okay? 12.2 months rather, my apologies. So they have about a year or so of cash left on hand. So their cash on hand is actually not so bad. We're gonna put, oh, those are the shorts. We're gonna put that as okay. Now, let's talk about their institutional ownership, okay? So the company's institutional ownership is sitting at 4.5%, not good, okay? Institutional ownership, we're going to put it as bad. Let's talk about the company's dilution. Their overhead supply is pretty big. Okay, when we go over here, it looks big, not good. Historically, they've diluted a lot. Rug pulling is bad. And let's talk about the short interest now. So the short interest today is up 25%. In the past week, has been relatively flat. Increasing short interest is not good. We're going to put this as bad as well. Now, let's talk about the chart. Why isn't the increase in short interest good? Because when shorts add to their position, that means that they believe that the stock is overbought. That means that they believe that the stock is still expensive and it's going to keep coming down. Okay? There's that. Now, let's talk about the chart. Where should we get in? Where should we get out? I'll be honest with you guys. I don't think you should ever get into the stock, okay? I think this is one of those stocks that every now and then gives us a massive pump, but you should be buying it when it's quiet because every single pump is followed by a dump. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. You're better off holding out right now for like another, month or so, 2 months, maybe 3 months, and then setting a good till canceled order. If you don't know what a good till canceled order is, watch a YouTube video on it. It's really useful. A GTC plus sell order, okay? And it pretty much goes ahead and automatically closes out your position the moment the stock reaches that price, whether it's in pre-market, after hours, whenever. You don't need to be glued to the screen and pressing keys manually, okay? There's that. So that's my take when it comes to Elab. Again, guys, remember, I'm not a perfect trader. I'm far from perfect, okay? I have a, 81% win rate or so, give or take. There it is, right? 82% win rate. Month of June, we had no red days. Month of May, I had 3 red days. April, I had 0 red days. March, I had 1 red day. The blues are break-even days. And April, this week, I was away. I was in Dubai, okay? So, and this after 450 trades. But again, even with an 80% win rate, guys, this doesn't make me a perfect trader, right? That means that 20% of the time I'm wrong. So that's 1 out of 5 days that I'm wrong. Now, however, if you do want to trade alongside me every single morning and get access to my intel and, get to ask me, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? Check out our community, okay? Check out our community, guys. Right now, we are having a sale for the next 10 members that join. They do get access to it for a 50% discount. We have over 400 people coming back month after month. We have day trades, swing alerts, option alerts. We tell you guys when to get in, when to get out. Every single thing is given to you guys. And okay. Again, there's a reason why people keep coming back. It's because they're making money, okay? Check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. Mind you, this is all from like freaking this week, right? Like if you go over here, there's literally Friday we made a killing. Then today we made a killing on some options, also some longs. And today was also a really good day. Good start of the week, says Sean. Absolutely, June 9th. And that's it. So I look forward to meeting you guys in the community, whether it's in trading or if they're life, man. I wish you guys the best of luck. And remember, never quit, never give up. Like the light behind me says, right? Don't quit. Why? Because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders quit before they became profitable. One more thing about the community, comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel for any reason on the 29th day and get a full refund. Give it a shot. Just try it out. See if you make money. See if you can make money from our calls. See if you learn from the lessons. Just give it a shot. Try it out. What you got to lose? Nothing. Thank you for watching. Happy Wednesday in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.